So in today's episode, we're going to talk about video and visual marketing for remodeling contractors and how you can showcase your work effectively with these two mediums. This can be a critical way of connecting with potential customers in your city. You see, when homeowners look for a remodeling contractor, they are searching for someone who can transform their vision into reality. And you have to remember, words can only go so far. Visual content is what is truly going to grab their attention and build trust. Videos, photos, and other visuals are going to allow you to showcase your expertise and then make that emotional connection with those prospective clients and then stand out in a crowded marketplace. So today, you're going to learn how to effectively use video and visual marketing to grow your remodeling business. We're going to look at how to create compelling before and after videos, how to use virtual tours and 3D renderings to transform your presentations, and how user-generated content can strengthen trust and engagement with your prospective homeowner clients. There's a few takeaways that we'll be walking through in our time together. Visual content drives engagement. Before and after videos tell the story. Virtual tours and 3D renderings enhance the decision-making process, and user-generated content builds trust. Consistency and branding are going to be key, and you've got to track your metrics to measure success. We'll talk about starting small and scaling strategically, and we'll talk about the importance of having a strong call to action. And so if you're ready, let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about the role of visuals in your marketing. Imagine this. A homeowner is scrolling through your website or your social media. And what makes them stop and pay attention? It's high quality visuals, videos, and photos that tell the story of your work and create an immediate connection. It's those visuals that get them dreaming, that get them thinking about what would that look like in my home. Studies tell us that 90% of information transmitted to the brain is visual. And people process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. So more importantly, customers often decide whether to trust your business based on what they see. So a gallery of outdated photos or poorly lit videos can make them doubt your abilities, while modern professional visuals will build confidence and trust. Also, visuals tap into the emotions. And you have to remember, people make buying decisions with emotion first, and then they support that decision with logic. And so emotions play a significant role in the decision-making process. So a before and after video of a stunning kitchen renovation can spark excitement. And a virtual tour of a remodeled home allows a client to imagine living in a transformed space. Mentally, you want to take that prospective client on a journey. So how do you create compelling before and after videos? Well, this is one of the most powerful tools in your visual marketing toolbox because they showcase the transformation that you can create, and they're going to help your potential client envision their own project. So how do you do this? Well, first of all, consistency matters. So use the same camera angles, the same lighting, and the same framing for both the before and the after shots to make the transformation both clear and dramatic. Make things short and engaging. So keep the videos under 1 minute to maintain the viewer's attention, and then add captions or voiceovers to explain key changes. And third, and don't miss this point, client testimonials. Include a short clip of the homeowner sharing their excitement. For example, "I couldn't believe how much brighter and more functional my kitchen is now." Nothing replaces the testimonial of a satisfied homeowner. Now, to measure success, be sure and track metrics like views, how many people watched the video. Track shares. Are viewers sharing it with other people? And then inquiries. Did the video lead to more contact forms, messages, or calls? Also, look into affordable tools for editing. Tools like iMovie, Canva, or Adobe Premiere Rush will make video editing accessible and easy, even if you're a beginner. So upload your videos to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to maximize your reach. In fact, I would encourage you, any social media platform that you utilize, upload the video there, and also don't forget, upload it to your Google business profile. If you're going to upload it anywhere, upload it to Instagram, Facebook, and the Google business profile at a minimum. Now let's talk about the use of virtual tours and 3D renderings. Virtual tours and 3D renderings will take your marketing to another level because it offers an immersive experience. These tools are going to allow your clients to actually walk through visually a finished project and then visualize their future remodel before construction even begins. And here's why these tours work. Because instead of just imagining a space, your client can experience it. A virtual tour of a remodeled bathroom, for instance, lets them examine every detail from the tile pattern to the layout. And here's some practical tips for you to implement this. First of all, hire specialists. If you are new to virtual tours, work with a professional who uses tours like Matterport or SketchUp. Secondarily, integrate the virtual tour into your website. Make virtual tours easy to access on your site's homepage or project pages. And then highlight design options. Use 3D renderings to showcase different design concepts and give clients more control over their choices. Now, this next one is huge, and especially in the online marketing world today. Leverage user-generated content. I can't stress this enough. User-generated content is when your clients share their own photos, videos, or testimonials about your work. Because it's free, it's authentic, and it is incredibly effective at building trust, and the algorithms absolutely eat this stuff up. So how do you encourage user-generated content? Well, this is going to sound really easy and stupid. Just ask. Ask directly. After completing a project, ask happy clients to share their experiences. For instance, if you love your new living room, would you mind tagging us in a photo on Instagram? Run contests. Offer a prize for the best photo of a remodeled space. This will motivate clients to participate while giving you content to share. And then, most of all, make it easy. Provide clear instructions on how to tag or how to share content with your business. And then be sure to showcase that user-generated content. Feature client photos on your website's homepage or in a gallery. Share user-generated content in your social media stories, posts, and ads. And here's a secret weapon. Ask your clients to add their user-generated photos to their Google reviews and their Facebook reviews. And then combine user-generated content with your professional content to create a dynamic portfolio. Now, here's some best practices for integrating video marketing into your marketing strategy. Be sure and tailor content for each platform. For TikTok and Instagram Reels, keep things short. Snappy videos of 15 to 30 seconds work best. For YouTube, longer videos of 1 to 3 minutes that dive a little deeper into your process are great. For Facebook or your website, they're versatile platforms, so you can use content of all different lengths. I like to use longer videos on the page in my normal feed, and then I also like to chop down shorts that are a minute or less and reels. And what that does is it gives broader organic exposure. Be sure to maintain consistency in your branding. So use the same colors, fonts, and logos in all of your visuals. And then ensure that your brand voice is clear, professional, and consistent. And then think about the budgeting for your video marketing. Be sure and start small by using free or low-cost tools, and then gradually invest in professional equipment or editing software. You may want to set aside 5 to 10% of your marketing budget for video production. Let's talk about a hypothetical case study. Let's imagine Chris. He's a remodeling contractor specializing in home offices. Chris creates a video showing a before and after transformation of a dark, cluttered room into a sleek, functional workspace. This video receives 2,000 views on Instagram, and 5 potential clients contact Chris for consultations. One of those clients requests a virtual tour before signing a contract, and Chris closes the deal. By using video marketing and virtual tools, Chris grows his business by 20% in 6 months. So let's talk about some action steps that you as a contractor can take. Here's how you can get started in improving your visual marketing today. Number 1, audit your content. Take a look at your website and your social media. Are you currently showcasing your best work visually? Number 2, start small. Use your smartphone and create simple videos and photos. Today's smartphones put out high quality images and videos, so you can do a great job with just that. Try new tools. Experiment with software for virtual tools and video editing. Ask for user-generated content. Don't be afraid to encourage your satisfied clients to share their experiences. And then be sure to track and refine. Monitor which videos are getting the most attention, and then adjust your strategy according to the feedback. Now, as we wrap this up, video marketing and visual marketing is an absolute game changer for you as a remodeling contractor, and especially using before and after videos, virtual tours, and user-generated content. By using these things, you can build trust and inspire new clients and grow your business more rapidly. So start implementing these strategies today. If you need help, feel free to reach out to us at Remodeling Marketing Team. And I'm glad you've chosen to join us today. I look forward to talking with you on the next episode.